this is the update I'm talking about. Okay, those of you that did it with me, engine win, like 6 months ago, engine win is still operating till now. Just that the game is very hard to win those games on engine win right now. Alright, so this is the game we are talking about here. Once you register with the link attached, you are going to get here. So once you get here, okay, I want to be fast. Once you get here, okay, it will show you an instruction to just skip. Yes, try and join their telegram link. That is where you get the game time and the game to play per time. Okay, I've joined, so I have to skip. All right, so this is the game. Okay, this is the game. This is where you see games. Let me see if I can show you my last win. Okay, this is your VIP section. VIP has level. Okay, minimum deposit is 3,000. You're going to enter. Once you deposit your first one, you're going to enter. You can upgrade with more. You can upgrade to VIP too. The more VIP you are, the more chances of winning. The more chances of winning. Okay, and your minimum deposit is, let's try for deposit. Minimum deposit is 3,000 naira. Now I want to advise you on this. Okay, when you are depositing, they will put something here. Can you see this place? All right, so it means that they want to give you extra bonus. So based on our experience, you don't need the extra, but the more you get the extra bonus, the more the more you have slim chances of winning. Okay, if you click on it, that means I don't need the deposit bonus this time. All right, if you want, no problem. Okay, but once you have it, just know that you won't win much game. Okay, so deposit your 3k, 5k, 10k, and play with it. All right, and make your deposit OTP or SHIPE, everything. It will work. Your money will drop as soon as possible. All right, so now this is how you play games. This is how you play games. Now make sure you join their group. Now let me go to their WhatsApp Telegram group. Watch me. Go to their Telegram group. All right, okay, I'm already on the Telegram group. Okay, they have released tonight's game. Check the game. Can you see the game? These are the game you can play. Double fortune, fortune fox, fortune mouse, the great landscape, blah blah. Now, and the timing is there. Okay. Now, what's the time now? This is 10:12. 10:12. All right. So let me just see. I always love Fortune Tiger and Fortune Rabbit. I'm not saying you should be playing that alone. Just look at their time rate. Fortune Tiger 23. This is 22 Abby. 22. Let me see 22 game. 22. This is 22:12. Okay, let's go for 22:15. Under Fortune Ox 22:15. Fortune Mouse 22:18. Okay, so 22:15. So I will advise you, try and get there before that time. This is what I'm going to play right now. 22:15. Okay, and I'll also try Fortune Mouse 22:18. Okay, all this one 23. That's 11. All right, so let's go. Fortune what? Fortune Ox. Fortune Mouse. Fortune Ox. Let's go. Let's try it. Alright, come to what? Let me see if it is under what. Fortune. Okay, Fortune Ox. Okay. 10:15 Abi. I think it's 10:15 or 10:18. Let me check. I forget. Since now. 10:15. Okay. So let's go. Let's log in. Let's see. Let's see. Fortune Ox. Okay. And the higher your game per time, as in the amount of money you use. You can use 200 naira, 100 naira, okay, 40 naira safe, okay. So you can't expect much with 40 naira. All right, so let's try. I'm going to try with 500 or 1000 or 1000 plus. All right, I love this game. Okay, all right, so let's hit load. So once it's load, get started. Now this is it. Alright, you can increase, you can decrease. Okay, let me use 1 2. Okay, okay, I want this 1 2. All right, I want this 1080 naira. I want this, I want this. I want this 4,800. Okay, I want this. I want this. So that's how you keep on winning. 600 now. I want this. Let's try another game. That's how you keep winning. Okay, that's how we keep winning. That's how we keep winning. Let me try Fortune Tiger. Okay, just make sure you are on the WhatsApp group or Telegram group to check the time. Also, when you're on my group, I've always drop some inner game time. Okay, there are secret to this thing. There are some inner games I will be dropping on the group for my WhatsApp group. Make sure you are in. Alright, let's try this. Okay, 1,000 naira here. Wow, 5,000 naira. Yes, I use 1,000 naira to make 5,000 naira. So that's how you keep on playing this game. That's how you keep on playing this game. Okay, that's how you keep on playing. Okay, you don't give up. You keep on winning. Okay. Wow, this is another bonanza time. Let's see what happens. Wow. Once you enter this kind of race, let's see the magic. 1,200 naira. Okay. Okay. Alright. So guys, that is how you make money from this website. Okay, that's how you make money from this website. This is one of the most interesting. Once you have this one, then let's can you see that? I see that 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira. Okay, let's see more. Let's see more. Awesome. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Let's see more. Let's see more. Go to this screen. Let's see more. At 6,000 naira. This is the mobile bill. This is what I'm talking about. This is for 8,400 naira. I just use, I think 1,200. Alright, so that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. So you can do yours, you can promote, okay. You can promote this website, you can promote it, copy your referral link, okay. On every referral link you have free 1,000 naira, free 1,000 naira. At the same time, this place will be loading up for you. Okay, as they play, you also get money as your referral plays. Okay, so you make your withdrawal very easy. Okay, something interesting about the withdrawal. Okay, I'm trying to show you the withdrawal I placed. Okay, okay, I play a game tonight. This is the withdrawal I placed on my game. This withdrawal of 10,400 naira. Okay, and it has entered. Alright, let me show you. Let me show you my bank. Let me go to my bank account. I placed withdrawal for 10,400, right? So let me see. Alright, so let me see. This is my account. Let's see. Alright, so okay, the money has entered. This is the money. 10,400 naira, as you can see, ASAP. Alright, so guys, this is real. Play the game. You're going to earn massive.